Okay, in this video I'm going to show you a breakdown of the cost of goods section, and then in separate videos what we're going to do is we're actually going to show you how to set up certain aspects of the cost of goods functionality. But in this one we're just going to run through what cost of goods actually does. So on the dashboard here, which you've seen already, we go to the product cost of goods in the corner here, and this will bring up all the products that we've currently got launched or basically set up on our Shopify store at the moment. And what we can do is we can search for any products that we want. Now at the current stage of Funnelshoot launching, we cannot search for variant titles, we can only search for the product titles, but we can see variants in there as well at the moment. We are planning on adding that in the future, but at the moment we cannot do that. So if we wanted to see a product, for example, we have a magic board in here, the magic luminous drawn board, we can see the actual product title, and if we click on the arrow here, we can get the variants up. So yep, that's that. And if we want to change the product cost of goods, we can do it on the product level or we can do it on the variant level. So if we want to do the product level, all we have to do is click edit, and we can change that to, for example, $10. Click save, and then what will happen is it will make all of these $10. And let's say one of these is less, we can just go in and edit, and we can go 15 or whatever we want at the moment. So yep, that's what we can do on those, and we'll show this on another video just so we can keep it separate and organized. The other thing with product cost of goods, which we can do, is actually edit historic cost of goods, and again we'll go into this in another video. And what this means is we can set up different periods of time where the product is actually a different cost. So this is useful, for example, if you have a supplier and you manage to either get the cost of goods down over time, so let's say you save an extra few dollars after being with the supplier a few months, that means you can go into this historic cost of goods and change the date and add whatever you want the cost to be over time. So it's very useful for getting accurate numbers. We can also change the shipping costs for each product cost of goods and make it whatever we want for any country. So for example, just to show you quickly, if we go to, I don't know, let's try the United States. We find the United States, and then we can make the shipping cost on this $5.99 just for talking sake. We add this in, click create, and now that's $5.99. So any orders that come from the United States, the cost of goods will change that onto that. So again, very effective for getting accurate numbers. Now we'll go into another video just to show you how to set this up a bit better. The other part of product cost of good is actually default shipping costs, and what this does is a basic rule for all of your products that are on the store. So if you don't have any shipping costs in set up at the moment, then basically the default shipping cost will take place. So for example, let's say you have rest of the world, or again we'll just stick to United States. If we go United States and again we go $5.99, we can add this in. Now this default will add this onto every product in your store. Now I've got magic in here at the moment, so I'll add it into all of these products. Now let's say, for example, again in the magic, just to give you an idea how this works, if we had a shipping cost over here and we had it in the US for $6 or $6.50, then basically the one set up in the product cost of goods will override the default shipping cost. So that's one to take into note when you're setting up your shipping costs as well. Again, we'll put this in a separate video. And the last thing with product cost of goods is actually your default margins as well. So if you don't put any product cost of goods in when you're setting up your account at the start, if we go to settings here, you can see your default margin and whatever you want it to be. So if we put 50, your product cost of goods will be calculated at a 50% margin. Again, if you change it in cost of goods, then your default margin will be overridden by the product cost of goods. So that's something to take into consideration as well. Now in other videos what we'll do is we're going to just show you how to set up each aspect of the product cost of goods so you can get a good idea of how it all works, and maybe some people just want to come in and see certain parts of setting up certain things in product cost of goods. So yep, that's all for this, and thanks for watching.